Okay guys, so I'm just going to take us through basically the retrofit assembly that we applied to this project. So typically, this is the original hub and frame, so typically you'd have just the weatherboards there and the plasterboard there. When most renovations happen, all I do is pull the plasterboard off, put insulation, put the plasterboard back. That's not going to do anything as far as thermal comfort. This is the proper way we approach it. So we applied 60mm of wood fibre to the outside of the frame. This basically thermally breaks the whole front half of the house. It goes all over the walls, all over the roof. And we add insulation layer into this cavity. External to the wood fibre, we've got a vapor pendle wrap, so this keeps the house nice and dry. If any water does get past this cladding layer, it hits this layer and then it can run down and out and keep the building durable and it can last a long time. Internally, we apply an airtightness membrane and then we do what's called a service cavity batten. So basically we run all our plumbing, electrical through this cavity, which allows this insulation layer to be fully continuous. And then on the inside, back to plasterboard, and then it's just back to normal building.